All right, we're back with another SEO audit, and thank you so much, Audit. So, DennisVentura, AI marketing growth and automation specialist doing SEO. You should visit the website, DennisVentura.com, and we're coming to you from the city so nice they named it twice, New York City. So, check out this picture I did with ChatGPT today. Not bad. It's free. So, DALL-E is free. So, if you want some images to be generated, just go check out DALL-E. It's free. All right, let's get to the SEO audit. All right, smoking gun jerky. All right, so they're looking for, let's pick the question, looking for a person to run an audit, okay, on an e-commerce website to get us Google compliant. Oh boy, want to get Google compliant. Okay, so this is not impossible. I mean, but you know, let's go through this. Okay, so number one, let's take a look at your sitemap. Okay, so you have a sitemap. Every single website has a sitemap, so it's basically located right. Let me take this. Got my tools over here, right here. So that's your sitemap, and basically, if we go to that, it should take us to all your pages or your whole kind of site map. Okay, it takes us to another site map from April 8th. So, and then it takes us to a bunch of other site maps. So, there's a lot of site maps going on over here. Let's see when you registered on GoDaddy. Been around forever. Okay, so let's check this out. Arizona. And about 5,200 days old. So, 2010. So, it's a 14-year-old site. You should have some pretty good traffic. Let's check you out on Ahrefs. So currently you have a domain rating of 18. This basically is like the credit score for your website. So see, it's kind of parabolic. I mean, it seems like you've gone up, you've gone down, a couple of things here and there. This was huge, probably combination of maybe going viral or some like a paid campaign or something. So here goes the tail of the map, and then URL is internal page to page. You got about 58 other websites linking to you, 600 keywords, 151. Okay, so you want to kind of focus on some top pages over here, and I mean, this seems to be a page that Google's liking. Okay, so it's Brazilian Steakhouse and Rub. So, wow. Okay, so this has like no information and just random boxes that people want to submit to. So submit is not a great kind of CTR. So, all right. So what I would say is let's take a look also at the crawl, I guess. So this is a tool. Once you kind of get started with our SEO audit service, we're going to go ahead and crawl your site similar to the way that Google would crawl the site. That way we could figure out how to get you Google compliant. Understood? So, all right. So main things that Google's going to look at, they're going to look at your titles, right? You have about 74 titles. Are they all unique? You know, are they not just saying the same thing over and over again? So that basically would be, this would be more of the secondary kind of service than our on page. That comes with a free audit right now if you want. You know, audits right now are $150. So we're running really, really great value for clients here, giving them as much information. A lot of this is kind of like a mini course, clients tell me. So we do have some descriptions that are over the limit. About 86% of your site has descriptions over the limit, and about 4% of the site has characters over the limit. All right, well, so we could definitely work on that. I mean, but let's get started with the audit, kind of going through it. So what I'll do is I'll send you, or maybe here there'll be a button where you could kind of order it. And then basically, you know, let me go ahead and show you some results of some clients.